Welcome to Kidz Coaster, your online resource center for kids. What we do. We are an interactive Facebook platform for mommies where you can put queries regarding parenting. You can find offers and discounts coupons with various products and services providers for kids. You can find regular updates for any event happening in and around the city. You can participate in various contests and win prizes while interacting within the group. Why you join us? We are largest Facebook community dedicated to kids products and services. We are an interactive platform where you can talk and ask and not just receive information. We don't have just brands but small entrepreneurs also that are nearby your place and affordable. It's not just an ad portal. You get customized solutions to your wants which otherwise gets fulfilled only by friends and family. How you join us? Facebook, search us on Facebook in the name of Kidz Coaster or join the link facebook.com. Subscribe us on YouTube. Follow us on Instagram.